Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be continuing my spotlight making it thingy series. In the last video I did cats, cactus.
Yeah, say it 3 times fast.
Cats, cactus, cats, cactus, cats, cactus. And Steph's shadow box crayon letter gift. Yes, if you want to go watch that video, go onto my channel and I'll put it down in the box below. You should have watched it, so just saying. So now I'm going to be doing Sai-Wai's Couch Buddies. But like I said in the video before, each one I kind of want to do a little bit different to Russellify it. You know what I mean? I like to use my own words. Sai-Wai did a platypus, a wombat, and a koala. I want to do another Australian animal, and I'm going to do a cockatoo.
Not a cock-a-one. Not a cockatoo.
I was like, yeah, I'm going to do a cockatoo. And then I brought all the materials, and then afterwards I was like, nah, I should have done a pink and grey galah, because that would have been cute. Because it's pink. And I like pink. But I'm doing a white and yellow cockatoo. There are certain sizes that you're meant to print it out as. I'm doing the half size. My one's going to be like a little teeny tiny one. And it's going to be super cute. Okay, so let's get started. So with Sai-Wai's project, it comes with a printable template. So I've had to take some of her pieces and kind of retrofit them to the animal that I want to do. Well, is a bird's an animal? Yeah. Yeah. I was like, what's a bird? A bird's an animal. She did a platypus. So what I did was with the platypus tail, I took the shape of the tail and then I turned the bottom into some feathers. You know, the bird's tail has yellow feathers and white feathers, so I took one piece of white felt and one piece of yellow felt. With the platypus bill, I shaped it. I took the top shape, which is what you will be sewing onto the basic body anyway, and I turned it into more of a beak. The feet that they have for the platypus are, you know, kind of webbed. And I thought that still works for a bird, how like birds have like their little claws. And then I also thought with a cockatoo, they've got that little mohawk thing. It would be easy to just turn it around and do it in yellow for the little mohawk, yellow mohawk. But I'm going to be adding a little bit of fur to make it a little more fluffier and kind of more like a mohawk. With the wings, I had to make my own. So what I did was take the template of the paw and the koala ear, and I made my own kind of wing flap. Depending on what kind of wings, you could have the wings flying out. I kind of have them kind of folding in a little bit, because in the end you want them to be able to be folded in anyway, because it's your couch buddy, so you want them to be able to be huggable. First, I'm going to sew on the cheeks and the beak. Looks cute! Look! It's like so cute.
Show it then.
Look! Isn't it adorable? We'll have to do the eyes. I don't like doing it.
He's gonna sacrifice himself.
He's gonna sacrifice himself. Look, a little pink.
So you've shown the cheekies, you've shown the bickies.
So the cheekies.
So you do the eyes, and then you can put it all together, and
Yeah.
do
So
the feet.
I'm gonna sew
the
the
same
eyes,
way.
and then
Do the wings and the feet, stuff the feet, and then sew it all together.
yeah. Let's go. All the eyes. And welcome back. I have finished my couch, buddy, and I'd like to introduce to you Cocky the Cockatoo. Isn't it cute? Look how cute he is. You flap, flap, dance, Cocky, dance, Cocky. I don't know if I spoke about the clasps, but so you're meant to add the clasps so that it can fold up into like a little itsy bitsy pillow. The head into the pocket, and when I put the tail up, it takes the legs, and then each wing goes in there, and it's a little cushion. I think he looks cute like this because all cuddled up. Like he looks like a little, instead of a couch buddy, a cuddle buddy. Sai-Wai, when she was on the show, she made a panda. And her panda not only had real snacks, but she made like felt snacks for it. So I kind of wanted to make some cute little things as well. I made a gum leaf. I don't know if cockatoos eat gum leaves, but I thought going with the Australiana theme, you know what I mean? Gum leaf. But look how cute this is. By the end of sewing this, I was like being all like, oh, look at me. Look what I can make. And I made this. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. Yeah. So this is Cocky the Cockatoo. What's this? Kidding. I had so much fun making Cocky the Cockatoo. I had leftover fabric and I thought, since it's the month of Halloween, that I'll make some Halloween couch buddies. This is Ghost. Look how cute! Look, it's a ghost! Like the ghost emoji. And I did a different eye, like as if he's winking. Look, I made a little tombstone for him. Oh my god, look how cute that is. That is super cute. I did the embroidery and everything. Very legit, very profesh. I was hell confident by this time. I was like, look at me! And so this is where I got cocky. And I was like, I'm gonna make a bat for Halloween! And what's so special about this one is it's a fruit bat! Look how cute! So with Fruity the Fruit Bat, I actually ended up using the same wings, just inversed my scallops, just so that it gave it that kind of batty type look. The koala nose and the wombat ears. Obviously this isn't a realistic thing, but like you kind of want to go with the shapes of the animals, so that kind of gives you that look, illusion. I am extremely happy with this project. I think it's a good, like, it gives you that confidence. By the time I got to the last one, which was the bat, I was like, zoom, zoom, woo, woo.
So you think that in the future you might do more sewing machine things and making some cute things?
Yes,
Has it
I
inspired
think I
you?
might. I highly recommend Sai-Wai's Couch Buddies. You can go to the Spotlight website and print it off, or go to the Spotlight YouTube channel and you can watch her video where she explains how to make it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, comment below. Which one's your favourite, actually? Yeah, which one's your favourite? Cocky the Cockatoo, Ghosty the Ghost, or Fruity the Fruit Bat? Or comment on videos you would like to see me do. Next video of this series will be Dance Dragon.
I think that'd be an interesting one for you to do. You will hate doing it. But you'll like the end result.
I don't know. I think I might like
it
because I think there's going to be a lot of repetition in it, and you know how I love repetition. If I'm not good at constructing it and it falls apart, it will shit me to tears. Please subscribe again. Like, share it. Tell your friends, tell your family. Watch making it. All of the above. Find my friends. Bye bye. Love you. Bye bye. I don't know. Is that a thing? Is it a thing?
What?
People saying dance cocky to a cockatoo.
It's a thing for me.
It's a thing for me. Is it a WA thing?
There was the cockatoo on the way to Gelton that we always used to stop it and say dance cocky.
There was
a thing.
There was a cockatoo.
Why do you think it's not a thing?
There was a cockatoo. See, this is weird. My friend had a cockatoo, and that it would dance when you say dance cocky. So that's where I got it from. But then, when we used to go to the pet store at Belmont Forum, we used to say dance cocky, and it would dance as well. So growing up, I thought cockatoos dance when you say dance cocky.
Well, that's what I do.
Like all of them.
Did you dance as well, or did you just say dance cocky?
You just go, dance cocky,
yeah,
dance.
And
then it'll be like...
Yeah. Yeah, I love it. I don't know, comment down below.
Comment down below.
If that's the thing that you grew up doing.
If you've made a cocky...
made a cock dance.
If you've made a cocky dance. Message below.
Say goodbye then.
Bye-bye. It looks profesh. So profesh.